Monitor all of this. He joins us now for the Live Alert Center.
Chris, that's right, but there is some good news this morning in the Live Alert Center. We are now at about 1,000. Just a half an hour ago, it was at 2,000. Most of the outages still in northern Kentucky. A lot coming out of Hebron right now. But all morning, we've been asking you to tweet us your pictures and videos. Take a look at this one we just got in from Evendale last night. You can see just how amazing these pictures are of the lightning strikes there. Many are still without power this morning because of that lightning. We want to keep showing off your pictures and videos. Send them in to us on Twitter or breakingnews@wcpo.com.